Don't use sub for sub app. Why I am telling you? I'll show you in this video. Let's get started. So first of all we'll go to this app sub for sub, which I have downloaded from Play Store, and I have collected few coins. So let's start a campaign. Now go to YT Studio and I will boost this video for subscriber. Okay. So I have created a campaign for subscribers. It will increase my subscribers number, and now I will show you with proof that the subscriber rate will increase. But wait for the thrill, I will show you in this video. So as you have seen that the subscriber rate has been increased, but in reality it is not. After a few days it will become as it was. So it is just the waste of time. I would recommend you not to use this app. Instead of using this app for subscriber, you can use it for views. Views will not be decreased. It is good for boosting your channel for views. So if you find this video interesting, informative, then please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries then please comment below. Thank you. Have a nice day.